Hello, this is Mike from Dokumint with you for a feature update. This is a brand new feature. We've called it Topology. It's not your diagrams, it's not the relationship map as such. It is more text-based, but let's jump in and have a look. So within the topology screen, you get your core records at the start, and that could be a rack, software, application, groups and teams, records, devices, you name it, it's in there. So let's do a search. Let's search for a switch. It's the first time I've done this on live, so see what happens. Let's go for our core switch 1. Click on that, and that shows us everything that's connected, any operational context such as documents or passwords, that sort of thing. Locations, so we've got comms cabinet, HQ, and the actual location. And you can click on any of these to see what's going on. So if we click on a PC, we won't see much. Okay, so we can see who's got the PC. Not really sure why there's an SOP in there. I will take a look at the logic. That could be because it is somehow been related to that PC in the past. This one hasn't got anything apart from the location. You'll find that the location kind of crops up all the way through because of the fact it's right at the top of the tree. You can actually hide location context if you wish, just to make the tree a bit cleaner. If you use your mouse forward and back buttons or browser forward and back buttons, you can actually go back and go forward. So we can go back and forward and go to there. And you can keep clicking through. On the right hand side you'll see some data about that record that you've got selected. And if we refresh the page, with luck it should go back to exactly where we were. There we go. So it says you can go forward and backwards using the mouse or the browser buttons. Remember where you were, click through and see what's going on. Now this is a demo record, so I haven't populated very much. There we go. So the corporate Wi-Fi is connected to the domain controller and to the firewall, part of the VLAN on the firewall, and the DC is providing something to do with probably the DHCP, and we can go forward and on. There we go. So I hope that's a useful thing. We will be expanding this as we go along. This is kind of like a first view, and later on we'll look at how we're going to export to diagrams, export to PDF and things like that. So I shouldn't be too far away, but this is now live and ready for testing and feedback. Thank you very much.